A radiant day with SolarCell's newest solar kapitbahay, the trend-setting 𝗕𝗏𝗡𝗡 family. Now rocking a 20 kilowatt hybrid on-grid system equipped with a 5 kilowatt battery storage. Thanks to SolarCell's flawless checks and precision testing, discover their eco-friendly journey to solar bliss this year. So don't miss out. It's time to flip the switch to a sun-powered future with the 𝗕𝗏𝗡𝗡 brothers and SolarCell PH.
And yes, we just wrapped up our SolarCell PH project on the 𝗕𝗏𝗡𝗡 roof. And it's a game changer. With our cutting-edge 20 kilowatt hybrid on-grid system, the family is now soaking in a whopping 70% off on their electric bills. Tune in on their journey with us, and don't forget to hit the like and follow button for more electrifying updates. Mga ka-SolarCell, let's light up the world together, one solar panel at a time. Because remember, where there's sun, there's SolarCell.